Look at that. Fatty. Woo! How much is it? What? What is it? Oh, you gotta reset. Look at that big catfish though.
£10.5, yo.
10.5 pounds? Dang.
Woo. Fatty.
Big one.
Yeah.
I'm catching a lot of smallmouth right now. Woo! Big throw. Hold up, let me. Oh, I already have a fish. I already have a freaking minnow on. I was gonna get a new one because I thought, oh man, why this now? I just tangled my line up. Let's see if I catch that catfish. Just kidding. I don't think catfish like minnows. Oh no, I got it reeled in. Oh well. Yep, my line broke. Oh well, let's tie on a new thing. This is what we're gonna be using. I found this at a river. Hold up. Let's see if I catch anything with this. Oh, bro. No. Oh, I grabbed the wrong line. The line's right over here. Alright, let's tie this boy on. I know you guys can't see me tie it. I had to cut the line with my teeth. I don't want to get the scissors. I tie it how my dad told me to tie it. Oh no. It came out. Hold up. I'm gonna have to. I just got done tying it. Wow, it's already not time. I have a jig head. I don't even use it though. Alright, let's throw this bad boy in. Something just jumped right now. First cast better be good. Oh God. Wait, it just took. Wait. Don't tell me it just. I didn't tie it right. It untied under the water. You know what, guys? Let's use a jig head. We're gonna be using a jig head and then putting a minnow on it. That's what my dad usually does. Okay, I better not mess up tying this again. Ugh, my camera turned. Come on, bro, they're jumping. Wait, no, I think. Oh yeah, a fish freaking took my freaking lure and then it untied itself. I think I didn't tie it right. New videos will be posted soon. I posted like, I don't know how much videos I just posted. Yeah, I do what my dad does. I wet it, and then, oh well. So I see why it's not going on. Cause, let me pause the video. Oh my god, it took me almost an hour to tie this jig on because I've been messing up. Well, I finally got it on. Wait. You guys think I should try one of these first? Or like, you guys think I should try one of these? Any of these? Wait, no, I'm not live. Ha 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 ha. I found a little spinner. Yeah, I found a spinner right here. Wait. Ugh. Look. I found this little dude right down the rocks where we went fishing. But this guy's hooks are really dull. So he might have been in the water for a really long time. Alright, got the jig head on. Let's go catch fish. So you guys could see it's already nighttime. Better not lose this jig, or else I'm gonna freaking scream, because this is the only jig I got. I only use the stuff I find. Not the stuff I buy. But I don't waste money. I just find stuff because people drop it. I found this big. You guys could see. Really dark time. Ooh. So dark. Like the last video. I know. When I just stopped it, it took like freaking 10 minutes to put on this jig. And then you guys know how I lost that walleye lure? I didn't tie it right and a fish pulled on it. It untied it. Oh well, first cast, my minnow's gone. It just turned lucky to unlucky. Yep. Looks like it's gonna storm right now. It was storming like in the morning. And then me and my dad couldn't go fishing until the freaking storm was gone. And now it's gone and it's coming back, I think. This jig head is just like from last time. I got it stuck right there, and then I got it unstuck, and I got it stuck again, and it was gone. Whoa, why does it feel so heavy on my jig? I think I should turn on flash. Yeah, just for you guys. It's really, dark. Nothing on the second cast. It's light for you guys because I turned on the light, almost everything on the light. I might get it stuck because there's a big tree over there. I might be able to catch a walleye though, because it's nighttime. Walleyes come out at nighttime sometimes. Well, no, they sometimes come out at daytime. They always come out, and then they always come out at nighttime because they have like moon eyes. Well, kinda. I'm catching nothing on this jig head. I got a live minnow right here. But he's gonna die soon because I just hooked him through the throat to the head. Let's try it just right there. Bro, he's taking my line. I'm just kidding, that was just me. Oh well, I just gotta. Oh. Ah, that was nothing. I threw it at the right spot. Nothing. You know what? You guys think I should just leave it and then stop the video for right now? Or no, I'll record again if I catch a fish. Alright, I'll see you guys later.